everyone, in this video we learn about double consonants in Italian. Double consonants यानी एक जैसे तलफ़्फ़ुज़ मगर उनके मायने अलग अलग. Let's start the video. First word is copia. It's mean copy करना, copy paste वाला copy. And second word is copia यानी couple. It's mean couple. Second double consonant word is rosa. In English rose yani gulab, and the same word is rossa. In English red yani surakh, rossa. Next word is faro. In English lighthouse yani bijli ghar, and the second one is farro. In English spelt एक तरह का गंदम जो मवेशियों के लिए इस्तेमाल होता है, farro. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज कामीनो. इन इंग्लिश फायरप्लेस या आग जलाने की जगह, फायरप्लेस कामीनो. एंड द सेकंड वन इज कमीनो. इन इंग्लिश वॉक या पैदल चलना, वॉक कमीनो. नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज टोनो. इन इंग्लिश ट्यून, ट्यून या रिंग, टोनो. एंड द सेकंड वन इज टोनो, टूना फिश. टूना फिश एक मछली का नाम, टोनो. Word is casa. In English home yani ghar, and the second one is casa. In English cash desk yani cash counter, casa. Next Italian word is note. In English notes, and the same word is notte. In English night, notte, night. Italian word is sera, and in English it's evening, sham. Serra, greenhouse. Serra, greenhouse. Next is pala, and English meaning shovel yani khudai ka belcha, shovel, pala. Palla, English meaning ball, palla, ball. Capelli, Italian word is capelli, and English meaning hair yani bal, hair. And cappelli, hats, cappelli, hats. Next Italian word is nonno, and its English meaning ninth. And nonno, grandpa, nonno, grandpa. Next Italian word is sete, and its meaning in English thirst yani pyas. And the second one is sette. It's mean seven, sette, seven. Next word is caro, and in English it's mean expensive, mehenga. And the second one is carro. It's mean wagon. In English it's mean wagon, carro. This video we learn some double Italian consonants. I hope my videos are helpful for you. If you guys like my videos, then don't forget to press subscribe button. Thank you.